Hello, lovely students, and welcome back to English with Jean-Marie Vianney. In this lesson, we're going to see different uses of use the to. This lesson teaches how to use the to for past habits and explains the difference between use the to, be used to, and get used to. So, let's get started. Do you know the difference between I used to drive on the left and I'm used to driving on the left? Can you find the difference between these two sentences? Okay, look at these example sentences to see how used to, get used to, and be used to are used. Here we have example sentences. Number one, I used to want to be a lawyer, but then I realized how hard they work. How is Boston? Are you used to the cold weather yet? No matter how many times I fly, I will never get used to takeoff and landing. So let's see, is there any difference in meaning have you noticed yet between used to, be used to, and get used to as they are used in these sentences? So let's see this together. Let's explore together the use of used to. We use used to plus infinitive to talk about a past situation that is no longer true. To talk about a past situation that is no longer true. This means an action that happened regularly in the past but does not happen today. An action that happened regularly in the past but does not happen now. It tells us that there was a repeated action or state in the past which has now changed. So here we have example sentences. She used to be a long-distance runner when she was younger. I didn't used to sleep very well, but then I started doing yoga and it really helps. Did you used to come here as a child? Now, be used to and get used to. Be used to and get used to. Be used to means be familiar with. Be familiar with or be accustomed to. We use be used to show that someone is familiar or comfortable with an action or situation. We use be used to show that someone is familiar or comfortable with an action or situation. In this context, we can say she's used to the city now and doesn't get lost anymore. He wasn't used to working so much and his legs hurt after the hike. I'm a teacher, so I am used to speaking in public. We use get used to talk about the process of becoming familiar with something. Get me well. We use get used to talk about the process of becoming familiar with something. Here we have example sentences. I'm finding this new job hard, but I'm sure I will get used to it soon. It took my mother years to get used to living in London after moving from Pakistan. I'm getting used to the noise now. I found it really stressful when I first moved in. Remember, be used to and get used to are followed by a noun, pronoun, or the ing form of a verb and can be used about the past, present, or future. Dear lovely students, thank you very much for being with us. Today's lesson has been very short but very important for everyone here. So if you have any question, please write your question in the comment section. And as you always do this, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share our video lessons. So thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you so much.